Kaspa's connections to the energy sector are putting it on the front line of the tokenization of carbon credits. In order to understand how big this is, we've got to zoom out and take a look at what is a carbon credit anyway. They're typically priced between $1 and $1,000, and there's all different kinds of them. They're basically to help protect the environment from companies creating pollutions. One of the biggest issues in the carbon credit market, as you know, Tesla, being an environmentally friendly company, gets a load of carbon credits, and then they turn around and they sell those to companies like Marathon Digital, who are creating more pollution, taxing the environment more. The energy sector and the carbon credit sector are directly linked, whether it's oil or electricity. They go hand in hand. One of the major issues with carbon credits is it's an illiquid market, meaning Elon Musk can be sitting there with a huge stack of carbon credits that are specific to saving rivers or air pollution, and there's nobody that wants them. What they're planning on doing with the tokenization of carbon credits is opening it up to the public with DeFi so you can stake it, as well as GameFi. This is a research system known as the 24-point checklist. It's a managed learning system. It comes with 84 different questions that you just pump into ChatGPT. So we'll be looking at documents that were brought up by artificial intelligence, as well as independent thought from AI throughout this whole research report, and it gets juicy, directly connecting the DII to these energy brokers that are wheeling and dealing in carbon credits. Zooming out inside VIP, the altcoin market has been ripping to the upside for over 10 days. Our group recognized within a 5-day bullseye accuracy when the altcoin market cap was going to change entropy and flip to the downside. And this was not a soul charting read. Yeah, everybody can see that downward sloping trend line, but we actually backed this up with very powerful macroeconomic calendar dates. We give everybody a breadcrumb trail into VIP by teaching people about the FOMC meetings and how much of a dynamic effect they have on the market. That rabbit hole goes so much deeper. And to take your crypto trading to the level where you actually need to read the Wall Street Journal, take a peek inside our VIP group. It's priced super friendly. The first clue connecting Kaspa to the tokenization of carbon credits starts right on the KII homepage. The entire advisory board is skilled in both energy as well as climate change. Jumping over to the DII webpage, we can see Shell Station is one of their strategic partners. We then asked ChatGPT, what is Shell's future plans for the use of cryptocurrency? And it throws out this keyword to us, the tokenization of carbon credits. I'll link this document in the description below, where it explains the markets are very illicit. So one company might be building up a lot of carbon credits because they're not polluting the local river. Meanwhile, there's other companies that just aren't into buying these river-style carbon credits, and they have a whole variety of them. Therefore, to add more liquidity to the market, the big boys are planning on opening up the floodgates and allowing the public, retail traders, to invest in carbon credits. Their average price, again, is between $1 and $1,000. Once these go on the market, this could be absolutely huge, like the next Kaspa running on Kaspa. Here's how we connect this whole package to Kaspa. A key entity in this entire carbon credit marker are the brokers who wheel and deal in carbon credits. So we asked ChatGPT to bring up the best carbon credit market offerers, like the Coinbase of carbon credits. And we get this interesting name listed in spot 6, Bureau Veritas. They are strategic partners with the DII, according to ChatGPT. When we run Bureau Veritas into the DII website, we bring up this post from August 8th of 2023, and it just says Bureau Veritas, nothing else. Therefore, we're starting to get a paper trail that's connecting Kaspa 2 carbon credit brokers, thus the tokenization of carbon credits. A year ago, we had a hypothesis that because the Kaspa ASICs were so environmentally friendly, Marathon Digital would one day want to utilize them. We were figuring this would be in the 2030 market. We had no idea that while we were making this theory, Marathon Digital was as well, and they were soon to start mining Kaspa in September of 2023, showing how fast technology and finance moves. So while this may seem like it's in a distant future, it very well can be right around the corner. The entire world's carbon credit system running on Kaspa will be the Bitcoin flippening. That's the only catalyst that can overpower Bitcoin itself. There are levels to understanding of the crypto market. After the carry trade wick to the downside, everyone was looking for the best asset to buy. Our VIP group secured the 3rd most profitable swing trade across the entire market for 10 million market cap and up, utilizing a combination of fundamental analysis. As we can see inside our VIP group, we have multiple videos and printouts on how to fundamentally study what to look for, how to dig up these bread trails that connect Kaspa to the tokenization of carbon credits. You can do this for any project. Get way down into the hidden, shadowy parts of the internet and put all the puzzle pieces together for yourself. Of course, fundamentals are only half the battle. As the price peak starts to mature in 2025, technical analysis is going to be huge. We have this giant pattern directory showing recent up-to-date head and shoulders, rising wedge, every pattern on charts that you've been watching your very self. And the most important, the coup d'etat, is the macroeconomic trends. Remember, we were able to recognize the entire total 3 chart. Therefore, every project across the board was going to start turning to the downside based strictly on fundamental understanding of macroeconomics to streamline your self-education, making you a better trader as fast as possible. And for $47, you can just skip getting takeout tonight and renting a movie on Prime and check this out. Have fun gathering clues about projects you're interested using AI in combination with our group. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. And we will catch you on the next one.